Today I'm going to talk about how to integrate Apple Home, Google Home, switch, app and sensor together in a whole system from two vendors, Philips Hue and Busch Jaeger. Hello everyone, this is Bing from BD Fan. So all of them can control each other. You can turn on and off from both physical hardware and software. There are two challenges in this design. In the first challenge, if you want to control the light from both the physical switch and software control, you have to configure in the Busch Jaeger that the actuator, which is the switch, needs to wirelessly connect to the Philips Hue bulb and keep this physical light socket always on. And then you can use the Philips to turn on and off and use the switch to turn on and off because all of them are wirelessly controlled. In the second problem is the Google Home is via cloud API. Both systems are connected through Wi-Fi to send API signals to Google. Then you need to configure in the backend to connect two systems in the app. In the Apple device, it's a local network called Matter. We need to configure connection through Apple TV or Apple HomePod. Then we can connect through local Matter from Busch Jaeger. Currently, Busch Jaeger is at a beta version. Use Matter to connect Apple devices. So after you do that, all of them will work together. We can use Google Home to control the lights or use Apple Home to control the lights. You can configure the sensor to send signals via TV or HomePod devices locally to Philips system, or you can configure the sensor through Google API to configure the lights. Okay, so here we are in the bedroom. We have physical switch here. We have three lights. The three lights are one ceiling and two bed lights. We can turn this on and off from Busch Jaeger setup. If it will all turn off, we press on the top. Everything will be on. After this, we can control the lights with app or control the lights with Google. Turn off lights. Turn on lights. After the lights are turned on or off, we can always use the physical lights to turn it on the other side. So it's fully integrated. Now we can also use Apple Home Siri to turn on bedroom lights. Turn off bedroom lights. These are two systems integrated together. In this bedroom, the Philips Hue lights and the switch are connected wirelessly. Switch controlling to the electricity is fixed to turn always on. The connection between this switch device and Philips Hue is configured through the Busch Jaeger app through the Philips Hue bridge. Another example is the hall. In the hallway, we will have two switches and one light. On the other hand, these lights are not smart lights, so they are configured with these two switches on the one on here and the other one is over there. And two of them are connected together to the actuator, so the one that is actual physical lights. So when you click it on and off, you can hear a very loud sound because they are really the switch behind the physical lights. So they actually trigger the switch, physical switch. And the other one that is linked towards this is sensor. So this sensor is connected through Philips Hue, and Philips Hue can be linked towards the Busch Jaeger system so that the lights can control through Apple Home or through Google Home to control the non-smart lights through Busch Jaeger. So we can use Philips Hue sensor to control the Busch Jaeger physical switches. Because the two are connected, we can also turn this off from here. And you can hear the sound is turning that physical switch over there. Alright, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please thumb up and subscribe. Thanks for your support. See you next time in BD Fun. Bye!